You're from German.
Yes, I'm German. We have problem, virus, you know? Virus? It's all the world have the problem right now.
Yes,
This is trouble.
yes.
Many people die, you know? Yes. I'm from Berlin.
Berlin.
Berlin, Germany, Berlin.
How did you think about coronavirus?
Yeah, I tell you, this is trouble. Many people in Germany have corona, and Chinese and American and all around the world. Problem is, we need the mask in the hospital, but we can't go outside, you know? We need to stay in house.
Oh, how long did you stay home?
And now for 2 days. Yeah, but we need to stay for 2 weeks.
Can you now just buy the mask on the street?
I know, but here are no masks in Germany. The masks only for the hospital.
Do you know how many masks now China can make a day?
Oh, yeah, but China is more big, you know? Germany is a little bit small. Chinese, you have many, much more people.
Hey, did somebody just around you get coronavirus?
No. Yeah, but what is no? My family not, friends also not, but here many people have corona here right now. Yeah, but you know, you need to go to... You need to eat food.
Listen.
I have food for 4 weeks.
Hey buddies, where did you come from?
Italy, man.
Hey bro, how did you think about coronavirus?
I think that I'm at home since 10 days. I'm not working. Mask. We cannot go outside without it.
So, when you go out, you wear mask.
Yes, of course.
Is the mask expensive?
No.
How much about is?
I've got mine from work, so for free, but it costs less than €5.
I'm coming from Austria. You know Austria?
Austria,
Vienna, you know?
Hey bro, how did you think about coronavirus?
I don't know, man. It's very dangerous, maybe. Yes, how is in China? Is it...
China now is pretty good.
Yeah? They got something? They got something about against the corona or not? I think they got it, cause it's not going up, the virus to infecting people.
Yeah.
They know something, but we don't know.
How many patient now in Austria?
2,000.
2,000. How many population?
8 millions. Over 8 millions.
8 millions
or 9 millions. Yeah.
That's a kind of dangerous. Do you wear mask?
Yeah, many people here. I got masks too. Yes.
You got a mask. How many masks do you have now?
I got 10.
10. Okay.
10.
That's good. When you go out, you have to wear a mask.
Yeah, it's very important. Yes.
Yeah. How much about this? How much about this one mask?
I paid it. It was very expensive. I paid €20 for one mask.
€20 for one mask.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, this was about Amazon. €20. €200 for 10 for one. I paid €200 for 10 masks. 10.
Wow, that's so expensive.
Yeah, it's expensive, yeah, man. But I'm okay. I'm lucky that I got it.
Is that just a regular mask?
No, FP3. This really good mask. A good mask.
A good
I
mask.
paid.
Good quality.
Yeah, a good mask. Good quality.
Did somebody just around you get the coronavirus?
No.
Oh, that's good.
I don't know no one who get it.
Italian was dangerous.
Yeah, very dangerous, man.
Very dangerous.
Many
It's-
people are dying.
it's more than
More
dangerous than
people
China
were.
now.
Yeah. Let's play and have fun, man.
Yeah.
The life is now very dangerous, man.
So you stay at home in these days?
Yes.
I've been staying home for 20 or 30 days.
Maybe I don't know how long, but
The entire China they all staying home in January.
yeah, it's better now. It's better to stay
We
home.
lose a
Man.
lot of money.
Yeah, this is the problem, but
But you have to do this.
money
or
is not
you
so
die.
important like your life. It's more important your life than money.
Yes.